Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create an activity on the Slopes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the logbook button down below and then click on this calendar in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on manual activity. Tap on the start to indicate the starting date on the calendar and the time as well. After that, go back and set the ending time when you would like to end this activity. After that, you should select the activity type, so click on it, set the activity and the equipment to, then go back and set the location to. After that, you should save these changes and add the activity by tapping on the create button in the upper right corner of the screen. And here you can find this item added to this logbook section down below. If you tap on it, you can check out the map as well, the skiing, minutes and any other information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.